Hello, welcome to our channel Learn2Score. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 1 of quadratic equations chapter. I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you. Question number 1 is check whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not. We are given total 8 number of equations. We are asked to find whether each of these equations are quadratic equations or not. Right? Let's start with the first one, that is x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 times x minus 3, right? X plus 1 whole square equal to 2 times x minus 3. What is the LHS of this equation? Left hand side is x plus 1 whole square, right? We know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Let us use this formula so that I can expand x plus 1 whole square, right? When you expand it, it becomes x square, that is a square. 2 times ab becomes 2x because b is 1, right? Plus b square equal to 1, right? X plus 1 whole square equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, what is the RHS? RHS is 2 times x minus 3, right? This can be written as 2x, the product of these two, and minus 2 times 3 is 6, right? 2x minus 6. Now, let me equate these two, LHS equal to RHS. For that reason, we can say that x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. Let us rearrange this equation such that we can get all the terms onto one side so that you will get only 0 on this side. So to do that, what I have to do is I have to transpose this plus 2x to this side, right? That becomes minus 2x. Then I have to transpose this minus 6 to the left hand side so that it becomes plus 6, right? Let us write that. X square plus 2x, and this is minus 2x coming from the other side, and plus 1, and plus 6 is coming from other side, that is equal to 0, right? Now let us simplify this further. This is plus 2x and this is minus 2x. They can be cancelled, right? What you have now is x square plus 7 equal to 0. You may recall that generic form for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. But if you look at this equation, you say that b is 0, right? I can write x square plus 7 as x square plus 0 times x plus 7 equal to 0, right? It means the coefficient of x, that is b, is 0. And the coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is 7. These two are real numbers, right? For that reason, we say that ax square, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And the coefficients a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. For that reason, we can say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. Understood? Now let's look at the second part of the problem, that is x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 times 3 minus x, right? LHS can be written as is because there is nothing to be done here. We don't need to expand or we don't need to simplify this further, right? Now let us simplify RHS. Minus 2 times 3 minus x, right? That can be written as minus 2 times 3, that is minus 6, minus 2 times minus x, that is plus 2x. So RHS is minus 6 plus 2x and LHS is x square minus 2x. Let's equate those two so that I have now the given equation converted into this form, x square minus 2x equal to minus 6 plus 2x, right? Now let us transpose these two numbers, minus 6 to this side and plus 2x to this side. When I do that, the equation becomes x square minus 2x, and this is minus 2x coming from the other side, and this is plus 6 coming from the other side, right? That is equal to 0. Now I can simplify this further and write it as x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. You may recall that the quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, right? If you compare this equation with the given equation, you say that a, b, c are real numbers and the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, we say that the given equation x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 times 3 minus x is a quadratic equation. Got it? Let's look at the third part of the problem, that is x minus 2 times x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 times x plus 3, right? What is LHS? X minus 2 times x plus 1, right? Now let's multiply these two terms such that we can write it as x times x plus x times 1 minus 2 times x minus 2 times 1, right? When you do that, you can further simplify it such that I can write it as x times x as x square and x times 1 as x minus 2 times x is minus 2x and minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, right? Now I have this as x term and this is also x term, right? Let me further club these two such that I can write the equation as x square, expression as x square minus x minus 2, right? Now the algebraic expression given on the left hand side is simplified or rewritten as x square minus x minus 2, right? Now what is RHS? RHS is x minus 1 times x plus 3, right? That can be written as x times x plus x times 3 and then minus 1 times x and minus 1 times 3, right? You further simplify that such that x times x becomes x square. This is 3x and this is minus 1x and this is minus 3 plus 3x minus 1x becomes plus 2x. So I have written RHS now as x square plus 2x minus 3. Let's equate the simplified forms of LHS and RHS such that I can write the equation as x square minus x minus 2 equal to x square plus 2x minus 3, right? We can further rearrange this equation such that I can take all these terms on right hand side to the left hand side so that I will have only 0 on the right hand side. When you do that, the equation becomes like this: x square and this x square becomes minus x square and this minus x is written as is and this plus 2x becomes minus 2x and minus 2 is written as is and this minus 3 is becoming plus 3, right? Now that is equal to 0. Look at this. I have x square minus x square means I can cancel these two, right? Now I have minus x minus 2x. It is going to be minus 3x and this is minus 2 plus 3, that is going to be plus 1, right? So the equation is going to be minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? Of course, you can write it as x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In that case, what happens is 0x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is how you would be writing, right? You know, when a is equal to 0, the equation is not called quadratic equation. So to answer the question, we say that the given equation x minus 2 times x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 times x plus 3 is not a quadratic equation. Understood? Let us consider the fourth part of the problem. That is x minus 3 times 2x plus 1 equal to x times x plus 5. As we have done earlier, let us first simplify LHS. That can be written as x times 2x plus x times 1. Now you have minus 3 here. Minus 3 times 2x minus 3 times plus 1. Right? That's what I have written here. X times 2x is 2x square and this is 1x and this is minus 6x, and this is minus 3. I have written that. And here, if you look at, I have plus x and minus 6x. So that is going to be minus 5x. So the expression on left hand side is now written as 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now let's simplify RHS. This is going to be x times x plus 5 times x, right? That can be written as x square plus 5x. Now let's equate these two. When you equate these two, the equation is going to be 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to x square plus 5x. Let us transpose these two left hand side so that I'll have 0 here. When you do that, we can write the equation as 2x square. This x square becomes minus x square minus 5x I have written as is, and this plus 5x becomes minus 5x, and sorry, this is minus 3, right? Now let us further simplify this such that I can write it as 2x square minus x square is x square minus 5x minus 5x, that is 10x, and this is minus 3. Here also I have a typo. That is equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, we say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. Got it? The next part is fifth equation, that is 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 equal to x plus 5 times x minus 1. Let us first simplify LHS. 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 can be written as 2x times x plus 2x times minus 3 minus 1 times x and minus 1 times minus 3, right? When you simplify this further, you can write it as 2x square minus 6x minus 1x plus 3, right? Minus 6x minus 1x put together, it becomes minus 7x. That's why the expression now you have is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. This is the LHS, right? Now let's simplify RHS. That is x plus 5 times x minus 1. That can be written as x times x plus x times minus 1 plus 5 times x plus 5 times minus 1. This can be further simplified and written as x square minus 1x plus 5x minus 5, right? Minus 1x plus 5x put together becomes plus 4x. So x square plus 4x minus 5 is the simplified version of your RHS. Now let's equate the LHS and RHS such that I can get the equation as 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to x square plus 4x minus 5, right? Now let me transpose all these terms from RHS to LHS such that I'll have only 0 on the right hand side. When you transpose x square, it becomes minus x square. This plus 4x becomes minus 4x, and minus 5 becomes plus 5, right? Let's write that. So that the equation now is 2x square minus x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 0. When you simplify this further, 2x square minus x square is x square, and minus 7x minus 4x is minus 11x, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, what we say is the given equation is a quadratic equation. Got it? The next part is x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. So LHS is already in the expanded form. We have to expand RHS, right? For that, we can make use of a minus b whole square formula, right? A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So when you compare this with a minus b, the given term, this is given expression x minus 2 whole square with a minus b whole square, you say that a equal to x and b equal to 2, right? So we can use a minus b whole square formula such that I can write x minus 2 whole square as x square minus 2 times x times 2 plus 2 square. That can be simplified and written as x square minus 4x plus 4, right? Now we have LHS and RHS in their expanded form. Let's equate them such that I'll have the equation as x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square minus 4x plus 4, right? Now let's transpose all these terms to the other side. When you do that, you get the equation as x square minus x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Look at this, x square minus x square, I can cancel them, right? So the equation now becomes 7x minus 3 equal to 0. We know that for an equation to be quadratic equation, it has to be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? But the equation 7x minus 3 equal to 0 is not in that form. 7x minus 3 equal to 0 is a linear equation, but not a quadratic equation, right? For that reason, we say that the given equation x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square is not a quadratic equation. The next equation is x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x times x square minus 1, right? Let's expand LHS. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube, right? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? When you compare x plus 2 whole cube with a plus b whole cube, you say that a equal to x and b equal to 2, right? Let's substitute into this side so that we have LHS in the expanded form. When you do that, it becomes x cube plus 3x square times 2 plus 3x times 2 square plus 2 cube, right? Let's further simplify this such that I can write it as x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. This 2 square is 4. 3x times 4 is 12x. I have written here, right? 2 cube is 8. Now you have LHS in the expanded form. Let's now write RHS, that is 2x times x square minus 1, right? That can be written as 2x cube minus 2x, right? 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. Let's equate these two such that I can write the equation as x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x, right? Now let me transpose this 2x cube and minus 2x to the other side. When I do that, the equation becomes x cube minus 2x cube, 6x plus 6x square plus 12x, right? Plus 2x plus 8. Now let's look at this. X cube minus 2x cube is going to be minus x cube, and for 6x square we don't have anything coming from this side. That's why 6x square is 6x square, and you have now 12x plus 2x, that is 14x plus 8, right, equal to 0. This is the equation now we have, and we know that quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, whereas here you have some term that has x cube as power, right? Minus x cube is extra term. For that reason, we say that the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Understood? This equation is called cubic equation. You will learn about that in the upcoming classes. Now, let's look at the last part of the problem, that is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. If you look at the LHS, it is already in the expanded form. Now we have to expand RHS, right? That is in the form of x minus 2 whole cube. That is x minus 2 whole cube. That can be written, for example, you know that a minus b whole cube can be written as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? Now you compare this x minus 2 whole cube with a minus b whole cube. You say that my a is x and b is going to be 2, right? Now let's substitute that into this side so that I can write x minus 2 whole cube as x cube minus 3x square times 2 plus 3x times 2 square minus 2 cube, right? Let's further simplify this and write it as x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8, right? Now let us equate LHS and RHS such that I'll have the equation as x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transpose all the terms on the right hand side to the LHS. When I do that, the equation becomes x cube minus x cube, this x cube minus this x cube, minus 4x square plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8, right? Look at this. You have x cube minus x cube. I can cancel these two. When I cancel these two and simplify this equation further, I can write it as 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Minus 4x square plus 6x square is 2x square, right? And minus x minus 12x is minus 13x. 8 and 1 together becomes 9, right? So you have now the equation in the form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, we say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. Got it? Question number 2 is represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. We are given total 4 situations. We are asked to represent them in the form of quadratic equations. Let's start with the first one. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Area of rectangular plot is given, that is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. You know that rectangle will have length and breadth, right? Length of that plot or length of that rectangle in this particular scenario is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. As we said, length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. It means if you know the breadth of the rectangle, you can get the length of the rectangle, right? For that reason, let me assume that breadth as x meters. If breadth is x meters, length is going to be 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice the breadth meaning 2x, right? And 1 more than 2x meaning the length is going to be 2x plus 1. Got it? Now you know breadth is x meters and length is 2x plus 1 meters. And we know area of rectangle is given, that is 528 meters square, right? Area of rectangle is defined as length times breadth. In this particular case, it is given as 528 meters square. Now we know length, that is 2x plus 1, and breadth, that is x. So let's take their product, that is 2x plus 1 times x, that is equal to 528. This is the equation. Now we want to see this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, let me simplify LHS. This can be written as 2x times x plus 1 times x, that is equal to 528. 2x times x is 2x square, right? So I can write the equation as 2x square plus 1 times x is x, that is equal to 528. Now let me transpose this 528 to the other side so that it becomes minus 528, and on right hand side you will have only 0, right? So let's write that 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0 is the equation. It is in the form of quadratic equation, right? We know quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and the coefficients a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The equation we have obtained is satisfying all the requirements. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is 2, b is 1, and c is minus 528. All are real numbers, and a equal to 2 is not equal to 0. So it meets all the requirements. That's why we say that 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So we have represented the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. Got it? Let's look at the second situation, that is product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. For that, first we have to express the given situation in the form of quadratic equation, right? In this exercise, our job is to express the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. Once you have quadratic equation, in the upcoming videos, we'll know how to solve them, right? Product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. When you note here, the numbers are positive integers, meaning they are greater than 0, right? And they have to be consecutive. For example, 1 and 2 are consecutive positive integers, 8 and 9 are consecutive positive integers, 10 and 11 are consecutive positive integers, 9 and 10 are consecutive positive integers. When you look at this, you say that consecutive positive integers differ by 1. 1 and 2 differ by 1, 8 and 9 differ by 1, 9 and 10 differ by 1, 10 and 11 differ by 1, right? So now, with that idea in mind, let us assume that x and x plus 1 are the numbers. These are the two consecutive positive integers. And the problem statement says that the product of these two numbers is equal to 306. That can be written as x times x plus 1 equal to 306, right? Now let me simplify LHS. X times x plus 1 times x equal to 306. That can be written as x square plus x equal to 306. Now let me transpose this 306 to the other side so that the equation becomes x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0, right? It is in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For that reason, we say that the given equation here is a quadratic equation. Now, you can say that we have expressed the given situation as a quadratic equation, right? The next part is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rohan's present age. Look at this. Rohan's mother at present is 26 years older than him. After 3 years, if you take product of Rohan's age and his mother's age, the product is going to be 360. We need to find Rohan's present age. We are asked to express this particular situation in the form of quadratic equation, right? For that, what I'm going to do is, if I assume Rohan's current age as x years, Rohan's mother's age is going to be x plus 26 years, right? Because Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Once I say that present age of Rohan's is x years, his mother is going to be x plus 26 years, right? But the second statement says that the product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. Meaning we have to find what is the age of Rohan after 3 years and what is the age of Rohan's mother after 3 years, right? Let's do that now. Rohan's age after 3 years is going to be x plus 3 years because today it is x years. After 3 years, it is going to be x plus 3 years, right? Rohan's mother's age is going to be x plus 26 plus 3. X plus 26 is her current age, and you have to add 3 years because we want to know what is her age after 3 years, right? This is x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29 years. Product of these two is given, that is equal to 360. Now I can write this in the form of equation, right? X plus 29 times x plus 3 equal to 360. Let us express this particular equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For that, I have to simplify the left hand side. This is going to be x times x plus x times 3, 29 times x plus 29 times 3, right? That's what I have written, that is equal to 360. X times x is x square, and 3 times x is 3x, and 29 times x is 29x. 29 times 3 is 87, that is equal to 360. Now let me transpose this 360 to the other side so that I can write the equation as x square plus these two together is 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. That can be further simplified and written as x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. Plus 87 minus 360 is minus 273. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, we say that the obtained equation is a quadratic equation, right? Now, what we have done, we have expressed this particular situation in the form of quadratic equation, that is x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. If you solve this equation, you get value of x, that is the present age of Rohan, right? Now let's look at the next part of the problem. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. It means all these 480 kilometers, it is going at only one speed. The speed is not changing. That is important point to be noted. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, meaning if the speed is less than the actual speed by 8 kilometers per hour, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Meaning to cover the same 480 kilometers, it is going to take 3 more hours extra. Right? We need to find the speed of the train. This is the situation given. We are asked to express this in the form of quadratic equation. Right? Now let us assume that speed of the train is x kilometers. The original speed of the train is x kilometers, right? And in the second scenario, it is given that speed, if the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, it means the new speed is going to be x minus 8 kilometers per hour, right? The original speed is x kilometers per hour, and the new speed is x minus 8 kilometers per hour. In the second case, it is given that the time taken is 3 hours more than what it could have taken in the first case, right? In the first case, we know that speed is defined as distance by time, right? In other words, I can write the equation as time equal to distance by speed. Now we know speed in the first case is x kilometers per hour, right? Now let's find what could have been the time taken for traveling 480 kilometers. So to travel 480 kilometers with speed of x kilometers per hour, the time taken would be 480 divided by x hours. You look at this equation. Distance is 480 kilometers and speed is x kilometers per hour, right? So the original case, in the original case, the time taken is 480 divided by x hours. In the second case, the time taken is going to be 480 divided by x minus 8, right? 480 is the distance and x minus 8 is the speed. As per this formula, time taken is 480 divided by x minus 8. But look at this, time taken is 3 more hours than what it could have taken for the original case. Original case is 480 divided by x. And in this case, it is 3 more hours. It means I can write it as 480 by x plus 3. Now, I have the equation. That is 480 divided by x minus 8 equal to 480 divided by x plus 3. This equation we have to simplify. For that, let me first simplify RHS. That is 480 divided by x plus 3 by 1, right? Look at the denominators, x and 1. Their LCM is going to be x. Now let me write 480 as is. This x divided by this x is 1, right? Plus, let me write 3 as is. This x divided by 1 is x, right? Now, this is going to be 480 plus 3x divided by x, right? Now, let me substitute that so that I can write the equation as 480 by x minus 8 equal to 480 plus 3x divided by x, right? Now let me cross multiply these two such that I can write the equation as 480 times x. This is cross multiplication of x with 480. That is going to be equal to x minus 8 times 480 plus 3x, right? Let us simplify this further such that I can write on right hand side x times 480 plus x times 3x minus 8 times 480 minus 8 times 3x, right? That is equal to 480 times x. Now let me further simplify this and write it as 480x equal to 480x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x. Now let me transpose this 480x to this side. When I do that, I'll have the equation as 0 equal to 480x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x. This is all the right hand side. And this plus 480x, when it comes to this side, it becomes minus 480x, right? You have plus 480x here, minus 480x here. I can cancel these two such that I can write the equation as 3x square minus 24x minus 3840, that is equal to 0. Let me divide all these terms with number 3 so that I can write the equation as x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? For that reason, we say that this equation is a quadratic equation. What we have done, we are given a scenario and we have expressed that scenario in the form of quadratic equation, right? This is what we are asked to do. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn2Score. Thank you.